Hello students, today I want to start the new chapter MySQL. So one presentation, from the presentation I want to show that is what I am going to discuss in this video. First of all, the chapter which is related with your MySQL, let us know the introduction part. So the introduction. MySQL is the most popular open source SQL database management system. So the full form of MySQL is that means SQL means structured query language. So full form of SQL is structured query language. So you can see on your book page number 202, just I am reading the book, and by the time you just have a look on the screen what the points they have given. You are already aware of what a database is and how useful it is in the current computing scenario. After studying about Access 2010, since we have studied Access, let us now learn about another popular relational database management system, RDBMS software. That means like Access, another RDBMS software is MySQL. So that I have already discussed in the last year, that you will be getting the another software, and it is more popular than MS Access because it is released under an open source license. That means anybody with free of cost they can use. It requires no payment for its usage. It is reliable, fast and easy to install. It is highly portable and hence can be installed on several platforms. Now MySQL, you can see that means the full form I have already told you. MySQL, my structured query language, is currently distributed and supported by Oracle Corporation. It was developed by David Exmark, Alan Larson and Michael Widenius, who worked together since the 1980s. MySQL is capable of handling large data sets and is essentially used for web-based application. That means when somebody used to design the websites, so in the background what the database is being stored, that means data is being stored, that will be maintained by the database software, and that is being done with the MySQL. A platform independent, it is a platform independent application. It can work on various operating systems such as Unix, Linux and Windows. So it is pronounced as MySQL. So you can download it from the website. It is given in your book. So this is all about your, that means I have just read it out from your book. So RDBMS software which enables, so you can see the points. Now let us go to the next page. What is MySQL? It is a most popular open source SQL database management system developed, distributed and supported by Oracle, that I have already told you. All the thing which is there in your book, it is given in this presentation as a point wise, you can see. Now MySQL uses a standard form of well-known SQL data language used by many of the larger online products today. Use part of LAMP stack. It is used to create the backbone of many of the popular website, social networking sites, etc. So now let us go to the next page. Development of MySQL, when it is being developed, in which year, so what is the latest version, everything it is given in this slide. Next, MySQL installation, how you will install. So that about that many of the students are facing to install the installation, that means to install the MySQL. So if you are facing problem, you just contact me personally. I will tell you the solution, and according to that you will process. Now come to some features of MySQL. It is a open source, user no need to pay anything. Open source means user no need to pay anything for MySQL. Open source GPL, that is general public licenses. Multi-user support, that means multiple users support is there. Portability means in any operating system it is being compatible. Then MySQL understand SQL, which is the standard language of choice for all modern database. Now next, high performances. Now high performances, here you can see, works very quickly and well even with large datasets. That means even with large datasets it works quickly. It supports up to 50 million rows. So you can imagine how powerful it is. Now go to the next one. Easy to use. It is easy to use. It is simple to install and implement. User can install MySQL within a few minutes. So speed, it is faster than any other database. It is small in size, so runs many of the world's most demanding websites. Search engine, so search engine what you are using in the background, the database they are using as a MySQL. So these are the examples who are using the search engine. So let us go to the next slide. Come to the data types. So these data types I will discuss in the next video elaborately. In your book it is also there, one table is there. In the next video we will start from these data types, and then we will show you, that means I will show you how to create the table in the database, how to use the database practically. One video I will give how to do practical, that means in computer how to type the programs and do the practical. Till then, goodbye.